Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Pandra. In this video, I am going to discuss about ellipse video 2. Yesterday night we discussed about ellipse 4 marks questions. This is the continue video. Those who are watching, you can share to your friends. Those who are interested, please don't pressurize to watch that. Those who are interested, you can. So let us have a discussion. The first question here: find the equation of the tangents to the ellipse 2x square plus y square equal to 8, which are parallel to x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and perpendicular to x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Regularly they are asking to find these type of questions: equation of tangent and equation of normal. Find the equation. First, given equation of ellipse. Given equation of ellipse. Two x square plus y square is equal to 8, but it is not in the standard form. First, you have to convert into standard form by dividing with 8. So 2x square divided by 8 plus y square divided by 8 is equal to 1. That implies x square divided by 4 plus y square divided by 8 equal to 1. Now this equation is in the standard form, and here a square equal to 4 and b square equal to 8. Are you getting all of you? So now they are asking to find the equation of tangent which is parallel to the given line. So first what I am taking is the equation of tangent with the slope m. The equation of tangent with slope m to equation 1. This is equation number 1. Is y equal to mx plus or minus root over a square m square plus b square. So this is the equation of tangent with slope m. What is the advantage to take this equation? One case will arise. So this is the given line x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. For this parallel line means this line slope and this line slope are equal. So given line x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Slope of this line means given line. M is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus 1 divided by minus 2. So 1 by 2. M is equal to 1 by 2. Slope of the line. M value we got it. M is equal to 1 by 2. So now the equation of tangent to the equation 1 which is parallel to this line. The equation of tangent which is parallel to x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 is, so this m value substitute in this a square b square along with So y equal to m value 1 by 2 into x plus or minus root over a square means 4, m square 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus b square means 8. Here 4 get cancelled. Y is equal to x by 2 plus or minus root 9. Are you getting all of you? Last line? Yes. Now plus or minus root 9 means 3 plus or minus 3. So you will get y is equal to x by 2 plus or minus 3. After taking LCM, it will becomes 2y equal to x plus or minus 6. So one of the answer completed. See how they are going to distribute the marks. First, given equation of ellipse, write in the standard form. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Whether it is a is greater than b or less than b, that is. Equation of tangent with slope m also write it. So, given line, first question. Till there you will get 2 marks, dear students. 2 marks till there. After that, another second line. What the second line is? Case 2. Given line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. What is the slope? Slope of this line. Slope of this line. M is equal to minus 1. Slope of this line. M equal to minus 1. So for this line, the tangent should be perpendicular. So the equation of tangent perpendicular to this line is same formula wherever m is there, minus 1 by m. Perpendicular means, so y is equal to minus 1 by m into x plus or minus root over a square minus 1 by m whole square plus b square. Same formula. Parallel means same formula we can apply. Wherever m is there, replace with the given value of m. If it is perpendicular, wherever m is there, minus 1 by m we have to write it. So y equal to minus 1 by m value minus 1 into x plus or minus root over a square value 4 minus 1 by minus 1 whole square, m value minus 1 plus b square value 8. So y equal to minus get cancelled, x plus or minus root over minus 1 get cancelled, 1 square is 1 only, 4 plus 8, 12. 12 we can write it as y equal to x plus or minus 4 into 3, 4 we can take outside, y equal to x plus or minus 2 root 3. So these two equations which are perpendicular to the given line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 with respect to the ellipse. This is the way you can do, dear students. I hope you understand. I will move to another question. Any queries are there? Yeah, good afternoon, ma. Mirzanas and Karthikeyan, good afternoon. I think the Karthikeyan requested to make the videos on ellipse. Yeah, right now 9 students are watching. Those who want to share, you can share about our live session. It will be useful for the other students also. So the problems are enough. Yes, Karthikeyan, these problems are enough. What I am explaining, maximum I will try to cover all the questions. 100% you will get a good score. problem you given is, can you get 75? Yes, sir. Not only this, but also you can go through our videos. All videos I kept all the questions. You can score easily 75. Previous even paper model papers also kept in the playlist. Once you go through, dear students, model papers last year only I kept. That is like 2015 to 2022 videos I kept. Question papers. So you can utilize. We'll move on to another question. In the first exercise, based on eccentricity questions, you may get it more. This question is very, very important. If the normal equation normal at one end of the lattice rectum of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 passes through one end of the minor axis, then show that e power 4 plus e square equal to 1. E power 4 plus e square is equal to 1. It's a good question. Yes, sir, I requested. Thank you for making. Yes. Okay. See, first, according to the problem, one or twice you read question thoroughly, dear students. If the normal at one end of the lattice rectum of the ellipse figure, you have to draw that. Ellipse figure. This is ellipse figure. You have to draw. This is the center. Lattice rectum, LLR, that means LL dash. This is called the lattice rectum. What is one end of the lattice rectum? One end of the lattice rectum, that is positive end, if I take AE comma B square by A. If it is tangent, at this is the tangent equation. For tangent, perpendicular line is what? Obviously normal. So the normal equation, this is the normal equation. Just I am drawing according to normal equation. This is the normal. If the normal at one end of the lattice rectum, first given equation of ellipse, in the answer given ellipse or given equation of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Put that equation number 1 is the given. Second one, one end of the latest rectum. One end of the latest rectum, LLR, is L of AE comma B square by A. So this one I wrote. I am taking this is x1, this is y1. At the point x1, y1, normal equation we have to write. Normal equation. The equation of normal at P of x1, y1 is a square x1, a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. But x1, y1 values we are assuming as a comma b square by a only, no? Why? Because normal at one end of the latest rectum. Normal at one end of the latest rectum. L value is this only. This is x1, this is y1. Now in place of x1, y1, replace with a comma b square by a. So a square x divided by, in place of x1 ae minus b square y divided by y1 value b square by a is equal to a square minus b square. So b square get cancelled. One of the a cancel. So denominator of denominator it will become numerator. That implies that ax divided by e minus a denominator of denominator numerator ay is equal to a square minus b square. Keep that equation number 2. So first equation of ellipse we have taken. Next one end of the latest rectum we have taken. That we are assuming as x1, y1. Equation of normal. This is very important formula, dear students. Equation of normal at x1, y1. Indirectly parametric equation. A square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. So this is passing through at L only, no? So in place of x1, y1, ae comma b square by e substituted. So ax by e, a get cancelled, b square get cancelled, y by 1 by a, denominator of numerator, ay equal to. Again this equation, say this equation, this is b dash, minor axis, again passes through one end of the minor axis. Here minor axis coordinates are 0, minus b. This is x, this is y. So equation 2 passing through, equation 2 passing through one end of the minor axis means b dash of 0, minus b on one end of the minor axis. Then we have that means this is x value, this is y value. In this equation, wherever x is there, replace with 0, y is there, minus b. So a by e into x, a by e into x means 0, minus a into y value minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So 0 and anything is 0, it becomes AB equal to a square minus b square. Okay. After that, we know that b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So that also can be written as a square minus a square e square. So in place of b square, replace with this value. So AB is equal to a square minus b square. So minus a square minus of minus a square e square. So these two will be cancelled, plus a square minus a square. So AB is equal to a square e square. So one of the a also cancel. You will get b equal to a e square. So b by a we are bringing this side is equal to e square. We know that b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square, no? A square bring this side means b square by a square is equal to 1 minus e square. Keep it like this. Squaring on both sides. That implies b square by a square is equal to e power 4. In place of b square by a square, we have to replace with 1 minus e square. So that implies that 1 minus e square is equal to e power 4 minus e square, bring that sign, 1 equal to e power 4 plus e square. Hence proved. Otherwise, hence result. They are asking to show this result. E power 4 plus e square equal to 1. We got it here, dear students. I hope you understand. Okay, some students are requesting tell in Telugu. Yeah, just I will explain in Telugu this also. If the normal at one end of the latest rectum of the ellipse passes through one end of the minor axis, then show that e power 4 plus e square equal to 1. Ellipse equation, first you have to write it. Ellipse equation రాయండి. రాసిన తర్వాత లేటెస్ట్ రెక్టమ్ మనకు తెలుసు, ఎల్ డాష్ అనేది లేటెస్ట్ రెక్టమ్. లేటెస్ట్ రెక్టమ్కి వన్ ఎండ్ వచ్చేసి ఏఈ కమా బి స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ, అనదర్ ఎండ్ వచ్చేసి ఏఈ కమా మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ. మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకుందాం. మనం ఏఈ కమా బి స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ, వన్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద లేటెస్ట్ రెక్టమ్ ఏఈ కమా బి స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ. ఏఈ ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం, x1 అనుకుంటున్నాం, బి స్క్వేర్ బై ఏని y1 అనుకుంటున్నాం. జస్ట్ ఏఈ x1 బి స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ y1. ఈ x1 y1 పాయింట్ దగ్గర నార్మల్ ఈక్వేషన్ రాయాలి. దేనికి, ఎలిప్స్కి. ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ నార్మల్ ఎట్ p ఆఫ్ x1 y1 ఈజ్ a స్క్వేర్ x బై x1 మైనస్ b స్క్వేర్ y బై y1 ఈక్వల్ టు a స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ b స్క్వేర్. ఇదేంటి, నార్మల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అట్ x1 y1 ఎలిప్స్కి. నార్మల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అడిగాడు కదా, నార్మల్ ఎట్ వన్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద లేటెస్ట్ రెక్టమ్, నార్మల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఇప్పుడు x1 y1 ప్లేస్లో ఏఈ b స్క్వేర్ బై అని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం. ఏ x1 ప్లస్లో ఏఈ, y1 ప్లస్లో బి స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఇది ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ బై ఏఈ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ వై బై బి స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ బి స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయింది, ఒక ఏ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది. అప్పుడు ఏఎక్స్ బై ఈ మైనస్ ఈ ఏ డినామినేటర్ ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి న్యూమరేటర్ అవుతుంది, ఏవై ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఒక నార్మల్ ఈక్వేషన్ వన్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద లేటెస్ట్ సెక్టర్ దగ్గర ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది, దాని ఈక్వేషన్ 2 అని రాసాం. మళ్ళీ ఈక్వేషన్ 2 ఎక్కడ పోతుంది, ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ వన్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద మైనర్ యాక్సిస్. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చారు పాసెస్ త్రూ వన్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద మైనర్ యాక్సిస్. బి డాష్ అనేది మైనర్ యాక్సిస్. బి డాష్ కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఏముంటాయి, 0, మైనస్ బి ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి అగైన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ బి డాష్ ఆఫ్ 0, మైనస్ బి. ఇది ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్, ఇది వై కోఆర్డినేట్. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఉండే ఈక్వేషన్లో ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో 0, వై ప్లస్లో మైనస్ బి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ 2 పాసింగ్ త్రూ బి డాష్ ఆఫ్ 0, మైనస్ బి. అప్పుడు ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఏ బై ఈ ఇంటూ 0 మైనస్ ఏ ఇంటూ మైనస్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్. సో ఇది 0 ఇంటూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇస్ 0, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఏబి ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్. మనకి బి స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ తెలుసు మనకి. ఏంటి, బి స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 1 మైనస్ ఈ స్క్వేర్, లేదా ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 1 ఏ స్క్వేర్, ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ ఈ స్క్వేర్, ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈ స్క్వేర్. ఈ బి స్క్వేర్ ప్లేస్లో ఈ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం. అప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది, ఏబి ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్. కాబట్టి దీన్ని మైనస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈ స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఈ స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఏబి ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈ స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ ఒక ఏ కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ చేసాం. బి ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ఈ స్క్వేర్, ఏని ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ తీసుకుంటాం, ఇటు సైడ్ పంపించాం. కాబట్టి బి బై ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈ స్క్వేర్. స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్ చేస్తే బి స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈ పవర్ 4. దీనివల్ల అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటి సార్, అగైన్ రైట్ ద ఫార్ములా. We know that since we have the formula b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. a square ఇటు పంపించామనుకోండి, b square by a square equal to 1 minus e square. So b square by a square plus 1 minus e square వస్తే మైనస్ ఈ స్క్వేర్ పంపిస్తే మనకు కావాల్సిన రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది. మైనస్ ఈ స్క్వేర్ పంపించేసి e power 4 plus e square equal to 1. Hence proved. This is the way we can do that. Even Telugu medium students also yeah, we'll move to another question. Next, director circle proof, that is very important. Even that also they are asking nowadays in public exam. 2-3 times they asked in the public exam. Show that the point of intersection of the perpendicular tangents to an ellipse lies on a circle. So this indirectly proof of director circle. డైరెక్టర్ సర్కిల్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్ అనేది ప్రూవ్ చేయబోతున్నాం. బట్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, కీప్ ఇన్ మైండ్. Show that the points of intersection of the perpendicular tangents. So first, given equation of ellipse. Given equation of ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Keep that equation number 1. Next, let p of x1 y1 be the point of intersection. Pi means point of intersection of the perpendicular tangents. Just we are taking now. After that, perpendicular tangents now. So what is the tangent equation to the ellipse? The equation of tangent. The equation of tangent to the ellipse is y equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Equation of tangent with slope m రాశాం. But at what point of intersection is x1 y1? In place of x1 y1, x comma y, x1 y1 we write it. This equation passing through p of x1 y1, so it comes y1 equal to mx1 plus or minus root a square m square plus b square. Mx1 bring this side. So that implies y1 mx1 is equal to plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. Squaring on both sides. That implies that y1 square plus m square x1 square minus 2m x1 y1. After squaring on both sides, this plus or minus of this value is going to remove and we will bring this side. Minus a square m square minus b square equal to 0. Now from these two m square take common. So m square into x1 square minus a square plus m into minus 2x1 y1 plus y1 square minus b square is equal to 0. Are you getting, all of you? Yes. It is a quadratic equation in terms of m. It is a quadratic equation in terms of m. It is a quadratic equation in m. Then it has two roots m1 and m2 respectively. What is m1? What is m2? Anyone? Any idea? Where m1 is slope of first tangent, m2 is slope of second tangent. Where m1 equal to tan theta 1 and m2 is tan theta 2 are slopes of their tangents. Slopes of their tangents. Okay. After that, what we have to do? From this equation 2, sum of the roots and product of the roots. From equation 2, m1 plus m2, sum of the roots. Here m1, m2 is indirectly roots only, no, that are called here slopes. m1 plus m2 means minus b by a. So, minus of minus 2x1 y1 divided by x1 square minus a square minus b by a. And m2, m1, m2, product of the slopes. y1 square minus b square, c by a. By x1 square minus a square. So these two important results keep in mind. Sum of the roots and product of the roots. Sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. After that, since the tangents are perpendicular, you have to mention here and underline. Since the tangents are perpendicular, tangents perpendicular unnai kabatti. Since the tangents are perpendicular, what is the condition for perpendicular of the lines? m1, m2 is equal to minus 1, whose product of slopes equal to minus 1. It is a very important condition, students. So m1 by m2 value is what? y1 square minus b square by x1 square minus a square equal to minus 1. So cross multiply y1 square minus b square equal to x1 square minus a square. So minus a square bring this side, minus b square bring that side otherwise. So 1 minute now here. A square, m square from these two, x1 square minus a square, that is right only. M into minus 2xy. So y1 square minus b square. Yeah, right. But here minus is there, no? Minus I forgot to write. So y1 square minus b square minus x1 square plus a square. Minus x1 square bring this side. Plus x1 square. Already y1 square is there here. Minus b square bring that side. So a square plus b square. Now we want to remove that x1 y1 because locus of a point. Therefore, the locus of p of x1 y1 is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. It shows that a circle equation. It shows that a circle equation with center 0 0 till there also correct answer, but I am writing some extra lines. It shows the circle equation with center 0 0 and radius root of a square plus b square. The point of intersection of this perpendicular tangents is called the circle. This circle is called director circle. This circle equation is called director circle. So this is the way we can prove, dear students, about director circle. This is very, very important for 7 marks. Keep in mind. This is very, very important for 7 marks. Okay, I'll move to another question now. So based on the same concept, so the question may change, but the proof and all same. Just I will give one more question here. Based on it, another question is there. Shall I write this now? So I write the question. For the question, we already given the answer. See, if you learn one concept, it will be useful for 2-3 concepts. From an external point, P, tangents are drawn to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and these tangents makes angles theta 1 comma theta 2 with its axis, such that cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to k square. Then show that all P lies 2xy equal to k square into y square minus b square. All such P lies the same type of question. See how we are going to use that. External point P, tangents means equation of ellipse, tangent equations, sum of the slopes and product of the slopes. We have to write it as it is. After that condition is provided here, what condition is provided? Cot theta 1 plus cot theta 2 is equal to k square. Cot theta 1 means 1 by tan theta 1 only, no? Plus 1 by tan theta 2 is equal to k square. After that we can simplify. So what it comes, if you simplify tan theta 1 and tan theta 2 LCM. So here also tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 is equal to k square. Okay. Tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 by tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 equal to k square. Tan theta 1 is already said here, m1. So that is m1 plus m2 by m1 m2 is equal to k square. m1 plus m2, m1 m2 both values we have here. Substitute 2x1 y1 divided by x1 square minus a square by y1 square minus b square by x1 square minus a square equal to k square. So x1 square minus a square, x1 square minus a square will cancel. So the rest of the terms 2x1 y1 is equal to k square into y1 square minus b square. If we remove x1 y1, the locus of all points P, all such points P, all such points, all such points P lies on 2xy equal to k square into y square minus b square. In place of k square, k also they made it. Constant it is. So this is the way you can do, dear students. I think it's the second exercise problem it is. I think you are able to do that. We will move to another question now. Yeah, more 3 to 4 problems I will discuss and I will stop there. But the coming 3 problems which are they asked in the public exam are very important also. Find the equation of the ellipse, referred to its major and minor, major and minor axes as the coordinates, the coordinate axis capital X comma Y respectively with lattice rectum of length 4 and distance between foci is 4 root 2. So first standard equation of the ellipse means we can write down the required equation of ellipse. General equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So required equation మనకు కావాల్సింది equation 1 ఇది. So next what ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, what values are given? Length of lattice rectum is 4, standard form. Refer to the major axis and minor axis means standard form only. So given LLR equal to 4. LLR means 2b square by a is equal to 4. That implies b square equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are. B square equal to 2a. Are you getting? Next, distance between. So b square value also we know that a square into 1 minus e square is equal to 2a. That also simplifying a square minus ae whole square. A square e square can be written as ae whole square is equal to 2a. In the next step, here I am writing, given one more information. What information it is? Given distance between foci. Distance between foci is 4 root 2. This thing. What is distance between foci? 2a ss dash equal to 2ae 4 root 2. 2ae equal to 4 root 2. So ae equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 root 2. So ae value we got it. So that ae value substitute in this a square minus 2 root 2 whole square. That 2a also bring this side minus 2a equal to 0. So a square minus 2a minus 8 factors we need to find. So a square minus 4a plus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. A into a minus 4 plus 2 into a minus 4. So from these also a minus 4 take common a plus 2. So anyway a plus 2 equal to 0, a equal to minus 2 not admissible. Since a is always greater than 0 here, a comma b both are greater than 0. So a is not admissible. So a minus 4 equal to 0 is, therefore a is equal to 4. This is acceptable. A is equal to 4, we can get b square value also. That implies a square equal to 16 now. So therefore b square equal to 2a, a is equal to 4, 2 into 4, 8. So b square equal to 8. A square, b square values substitute in equation 1. A square comma b square values substitute in equation 1. We get x square by 16 plus y square by 8 equal to 1. This is the way we can do this. I hope you understand. మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా. సో definite integration SAQs also I will tell, LAQs and VSAQs completed. In that only I will finish it. That 4 marks also, dear students. చూస్తున్నాను అన్నీ కనపడతాయి. Yeah, more 3 questions I want to finish in this session. Yeah, shall we have this now? Yes. This I will keep it like this. The remaining will be same. Yeah, find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. Refer to major axis, minor axis, standard form. Whose distance between foci is 8 and distance between directrices. Distance between directrices is 32. Distance between directrices is 32. So this question we are going to solve that. So the required equation of ellipse will be same. Given information, what information is given? The distance between directrices given. Distance between directrices is 32. That is z dash equal to 32. So the ellipse figure is like this now. These are the directrices. Z dash. This distance z dash is 2a by e is equal to 32. So that implies a by e equal to 16. 2 ones are 2 16s. So z dash is over. Next, third point, given distance between foci is 8. That is S dash equal to 8, 2AE equal to 8, AE equal to 4. AE equal to 4 and AE by E equal to 16. From there only we will get the value of A. See here, now we will consider AE into A by E. Here EE get cancelled. AE value 4 into A by E is 16. So A into A square. So A square equal to 64. So obviously A value will become 8. After getting A square and AE value, now B square equal to A square minus A square E square. Otherwise A square into 1 minus E square formula. So A square value 64 minus AE whole square. What is AE? We got it here 4. So 64 minus 4 square. So 64 minus 16. So 48 b square value. So b square value we got it. A square value also we got it. So a square comma b square values substitute in equation 1. So x square by 64 plus y square by 48 is equal to 1. So the required equation of the ellipse is, number of times they asked this question, dear students. Distance between directrices, distance between foci, one question. Length of lattice rectum and distance between foci, that is another question. Like model wise questions are there, keep in mind and practice. More 2 questions, I will finish the session, which are also very important. You also know that. Based on eccentricity questions, I am going to tell that. Based on eccentricity. If possible, another video also will make, but not now. During the exams, other than here what I am explaining, that questions I will explain. Even in yesterday's class also I covered 2-3 questions. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse if its length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its minor axis. Half of its minor axis. Next, another question based on eccentricity only. Sometimes these question chances for asking for 4 marks. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse if its length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its minor axis, which is the major axis, that is the minor axis. Half of its major axis distance. This is major. One question is minor, another question is major. See, they are asking to find eccentricity. So first conditions we need to apply. If its length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its minor axis. Length of lattice rectum LLR is equal to half of its minor axis. Half of its minor axis. Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a is equal to length of minor axis 2b. So here 2 get cancelled. So even one of the b also get cancelled. So 2b is equal to a. So what is the formula to find the eccentricity? Eccentricity E equal to square root of a square minus b square divided by a square. A value 2b only, no? So root over 2b square minus b square by a square, that is equal to root of 4b square minus b square by a square. Sorry, a means what? 2b. Here also I forgot to write 2b whole square. So 4b square. So which is equal to root 3b square by 4b square. Root 3 divided by root 4 means what? 2. Therefore, the eccentricity when the length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its minor axis. This is the given information. Similarly, the same type of question. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse if its length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis. In the solution step, given LL or length of lattice rectum equal to half of its major axis. Major axis. Okay. So length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a is equal to half of its length of my major axis 2a. So here 2 get cancelled. So 2b square is equal to a into a square. So 2b square equal to a square, we got it. So they are asking to find eccentricity. Therefore, eccentricity E equal to, right formula, root of a square minus b square divided by a square. So root of a square means 2b square minus b square by 2b square. So that is equal to root b square by 2b square. So b square get cancelled. Root 1 means 1 by root 2. Therefore, eccentricity E equal to 1 by root 2. When length of lattice rectum is half of its major axis, E equal to 1 by root 2. I hope you understand. Still any doubts are there? Any problem is required, please textbook number, page number and question number. If you mention in the comment box after completing of the session, I may teach in the live sessions when I have free time. I hope you understand, dear students. Thank you for your support. Definite integration SAQs also I will tell Mr. Mirza. I will tell definitely. But maximum 4 marks questions also I covered in the definite integration in 4 marks and 2 marks, in 2 marks and 7 marks itself. Okay. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Signing off. Maths with Panindra.